Now, Microsoft has its own way of structuring the course. There is what's called as a learning path right at the top, and each of the learning paths have modules, and each of the module has units. The units themselves are structured in such a way that the first few units have got the theoretical understanding, followed by an exercise which gives you the hands-on experience, and finally an assessment. So how do you go about consuming this content in the most optimal way? Now, here's what worked for me. Look at what I've done, see what you can take from it, try it out, and make it your own. At a very high level, the approach was to go through the content once, do the practice, look at the responses and the score in that practice exam, and then refresh the content that is needed to pass the exam wherever the score was low, and repeat it until I pass the exam. Now, the way I looked at it was I would sit for one learning path at a time throughout, like one session, one learning path. And as I went through each of the modules and the units, I ensured that I passed the unit assessments before I moved on to the next one. Don't worry, there are not many questions, but the questions are such that they will begin to test your understanding of the modules that you've done. And they will help you to figure out where to go about and get that content from.